Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to use tags for your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here at shopify.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where in the upper right corner you'll be able to access the login section where you can get started logging into your account, and after logging in successfully you'll be greeted by this home page where at the left side of the screen you can see all the sections you can access, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how we can get started with adding and using tags for Shopify store. What we're looking for guys is right here at the left side screen. We want you to go ahead and under sales channels open up the online store option. After clicking online store, this is automatically going to open up this themes section where, as you can see, we can go ahead and access our theme. What we're looking for is the preferences option. You want to click on preferences, and basically guys, after opening up preferences, this is now going to open up this new menu of all the preferences that you have for your website, and what we're looking for is title and meta description. So guys, the meta description right here is going to enable us to go ahead and manage our SEO for people to easily find our website using Google search and to be easily recognizable. So all your tags that you have, you want to get started with putting into your homepage meta description. This is where you want to put your tags, so you have 320 characters, make a good use out of them and put all your needed tags right here. Once you're satisfied and finished guys, just go back to the main page. It's automatically going to save it, and now this is going to apply those tags to your websites and your SEO. But yeah guys, basically that's how to get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.